today is the last month that we will be spending together before we turn 7 years next month as a couple together. We became boyfriend and girlfriend on March 18th, 2012. So next month will be our 7th year. This month, love month, I didn't do anything for her on the 14th except for buying Starbucks through Food Panda. I bought a hot choco and chocolate brownie something for 15 bucks. There's that. And I wanted to make a grand gesture for this month, for the love month, because I'm pretty sure all the girls, this date is very important for all the girls, or this month, even for my wife, since I did not do anything and I had plans before and after the 14th. I already had activities scheduled, so I was not able to fly on the 14th. I was not able to surprise her, so I'm doing it now. Today is Sunday the 17th. I'm flying now to surprise her tonight. Flight is at 4:45. Arrival is at 8:30. Honestly, yesterday or this week, I have been acting kind of like a dick. It went out of hand. I did not plan for that. I only planned for, being a dick for just a little bit. And it went out of hand. I forgot that being pregnant, the emotions fly everywhere, so it has been magnified. Anyway, I am hoping that she won't be mad at me for so long for doing this. I'm sorry, hon, when you're watching this. I really feel bad for last night. I did not plan to overdo it, but I think I may have. Just so you will give me a break in asking me where I am to make the surprise even more convincing. See you in Singapore. I have this bottomless hollow pit in my stomach right now. I'm still not 100% sure of this plan. I'm still terrified, very terrified. I did not receive any text message from her today, the entire day. She's very pissed at me right now. Very pissed. Hun, I promise you, this is the last terrible surprise. I'm still gonna surprise you, but this is the last terrible one. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm terrified of you. I love you. I'm scared of you, and I love you. There are a few things that I've done in my life, but none of them involve hurting Marge. So I'm still terrified. I'm already in Clementi. I'm very scared. I am inside the compound, and again, I'm never ever doing that ever again. I don't know if you can hear it, but my heart is beating twice as fast. What did you feel when you saw me, man?
Shocked.
Why?
Kay, I did not expect na maabot ka. Kay, traitor kay ka.
Yan ang traitor man.
Traitor much.
Why? Langan, wala makaga-text na ko. You did not call me. You did not text me. You did not reply. Kung sa man yung magibuhat whole day.
You
Wala.
went for it.
Kung sa man yung magibuhat whole day, wala man ka nag-kuhan. Wala man ka nag-update na ko. Wala ka nag-text na ko and everything.
Offline.
Offline siya whole day. Even her housemates did not know the reason why she was offline. So ang reason kay
You're free.
soko siya sa ako. What is today?
Our 83rd monthsary.
83 months. And we are celebrating by eating churros. Hi. I told my friends earlier, or yesterday, last night, I told them that you did not text me or call me yesterday. Care to explain? What happened?
Because you went home late.
I went home late last Saturday. Saturday night?
Yeah, Saturday night.
Saturday night, I went home late. Why? Why did I go home late?
Because you went to Marquis' place and played NBA games.
How late did I arrive home? What time did I arrive home?
11:45.
11:45. Was that late? Is that late? Is that late?
The thing is, you have a lot of things to do, and then still managed to play that NBA game.
And as consequence for going home late, what happened?
You're free.
She sent me a message saying that I'm free. I'm free. I don't know what she meant about that. But it was all, I did that on purpose. So that the surprise, as I said earlier.
And everything was planned.
Everything was planned. Han, 7 years. And almost 80% of the time was spent long distance. How do you think we did it? How do you think we reached 7 years?
It's a mutual effort, Han. And of course, it's more on the guy's effort that...
My effort?
Yeah.
How? Why?
Guy's effort. Because you're very consistent from the start.
Very consistent.
You have shown me the love that I never imagined I will have.
For my side, consistency, you are correct, and of course, communication. Like I said, 80% of our time was spent long distance, so we invested heavily in our communication.
And if ever we have problems, very big problems, we always find time to pray and talk about the problem, and remember to kill the conflict
and not
the
relationship. That's our marriage advice. That's our relationship advice. By the way, we are lying here together with other hundreds of people in the gardens at the Marina Bay for a light show. So many of us.
开始了，开始了，开始了！好久，熬夜。